Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off by apologizing because I don't have an intro for this video. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this matte, soft, pop of green eye tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And ring that bell button while you're at it. So let's get started. Using the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, we're going to use the color Roxy. Now, I'm using the brush from Bedelium Teals in 785, and I'm going to be applying this shade on the outer corner of my eye onto the inner corner of my eye on the crease area. Now, as you can see, I am going in circular motions from the outer to the inner of our crease. Next, we're going to be using the shade All Star. Now with this, we're going to be using, again, another rounded crease brush. But this time we're going to just apply it below our crease on our eyelid and just dabbing it on halfway through our eyelid. Remember, don't go all the way in because we're going to still use another shade. But just go back and forth from our outer to close to like 1/3 of our eyelid. Go ahead and go back with the shade Roxy with that same 785 Bedelium Teals and just blend everything out so there isn't any harsh lines. Now we're going to be using the color Dawn, and we're going to be using a flat shader brush and applying this just on our inner corner of our eye. That 1/3 that you did not use for the All Star color, we're going to apply Dawn to make it brighter. Again, you don't have to go all the way in, just 1/3 of the eye from the inner corner going halfway in. Going back with that color All Star with that same brush that we used, we're just going to blend it out so there isn't any harsh lines. Going with the Double Eagle by Pure Cosmetics, we're going to be using this green eyeliner and applying it just on our eyelid next to the lash line. Again, you don't have to make a wing liner unless you want to, but we're just going to go ahead and make a line from our tear duct all the way to the outer corner of the eye. No wing. Now, to enhance this green, we're going to be using the color Axis, and we're going to be using a detailed flat shader brush, which is the MAC 217 that I'm using, and I'm going to be applying this on top of that green eyeliner just to enhance and intensify that green that we just applied on our lid. Remember, you're just applying it over, no wing necessary. Now for this part of the video, I am not going to go into detail with it because I'm going to be making a whole video on how to apply false lashes for a beginner. So that'll be going up on Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'll be back. We're going to go with the shade Roxy. Now we're going to be using the same sets that we did earlier in the video. We're going to be applying this on our lower lash line as our transition color with a small shader brush. From there, we're going to be using the color All Star, and we're going to be applying this on top of Roxy to smoke it out even more. And then from there, we're going to be using a smaller shader brush. After that, we're going to be using the shade Axis with the pencil brush just to smoke it out and intensify it more. Now for the lips, we're going to be using the Vivid Matte Liquid by Maybelline in the shade Nude Thrill number 5. In this case, I just did not want to use a lip liner. I wanted my lips to look creamy and shiny. Finally, use your favorite setting spray. My current favorite setting spray is the MAC Fix Plus, and then just let it dry. And this is the finishing look, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I fell in love with it. This pop of green, beautiful, beautiful eye color for the summer, especially for a night out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at makeup_with_ixo. I will link everything at the end of the video and down below in my description box. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down any other suggestions that you would like to see, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.